Hello, friends! I'm so happy you're here today. Guess what? We are going to learn two super special, super magic words. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, our very first magic word is can. Can you say it with me? Can. This is a really happy, powerful word. When we say can, it means we have the power to do something. It means you can do it. Look at this. It says, I can walk. See that happy green word? That's our magic word, can. It's showing us something our awesome bodies are able to do. Now, it's your turn. Can you walk? Show me. Stand up and walk around in a little circle. Or you can just march your feet right where you are. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Wow. High five. Oh, what's this one? It says, I can sing. You know, singing is one of my favorite things to do in the whole wide world. It just makes everything feel so happy. Can you sing your favorite song for me right now? Go ahead, I'm listening. La 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 la. Wow, your voice is just beautiful. You are a true singing star. Go on, take a little bow. You earned it. All right, it's time for our second magic word. This word is can't. Can you say that? Can't. This word just means something isn't possible, or maybe it's just something you can't do yet. And you know what? That is totally okay. Now, let's look at some things we can't do. Okay, here's our first one. It says, I can't fly like a bird. What do you think? Can you fly? Let's try it together, just in case. Stand up and flap your arms really, really fast. Faster, faster. Are you taking off yet? Whoosh! Nope, my feet are still right here on the floor. How about you? So, I can't fly. Here's another silly one. It says, I can't run faster than a car. And that's for sure. Cars are so fast, way faster than our legs can go. So, let me ask you a very important question. Do you think you can run faster than a car? Room, ready, set, go. No way. We can't run faster than a car. It's time to play the can or can't game. I'll ask a question, you do the action, and then shout out if you can or can't do it. Ready? Okay, first question. Get ready, get set. Can you jump? I see you jumping. Boing, boing, boing. So the answer is, yes, I can. That is some awesome jumping, everybody. Okay, last one. This is a really tricky one, so think about it. Can you talk to a fish? Blub, 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 blub. That's such a silly idea. Fish don't speak our language, do they? So the answer is, no, I can't. You are an absolute superstar. You learned our two magic words today. Now you know all about what you can do and what you can't do. You did such fantastic work. Keep practicing all the amazing things you can do. Bye-bye for now.